Hello everyone, I am Kritarth going to teach chemistry section of class 10 science. In previous videos, we discussed about how to get balance of chemical equation and I am providing some homework questions. So here first we discuss about homework questions. Okay. The first question is carbon is react with oxygen. Carbon is react with oxygen and it will provide carbon dioxide. So first we check it will be balanced or not. We draw a box of table. Here element, reactant side and product side. There is only two elements, carbon and oxygen. We see in our chemical equation. Okay. So at reactant side the carbon atoms are only one and oxygen atoms are two. At product side the carbon atom is only one and oxygen is two. This not mean that all compound is multiplied by 2. Okay, this particular compound is not C2O2, it is only CO2, means C has only one atom and O2 has two atoms. Okay, so don't confuse about it. So we see that the carbon has reactant side only one and product side one. This means carbon is balanced. Oxygen 2 at reactant side and product side also 2. This means this also will be balanced. That means the given chemical equation will be balanced. So it is already balanced. Now we discuss our next equation, H2SO4 plus zinc. Sulfuric acid is react with zinc and it will provide us a solution which is known as zinc sulfate and the hydrogen gas as a evolution gas and it will evolve. Okay. So we draw a table. First we check it is balanced or not. We want element, reactant side and product side. We have to mention here elements, not compound. This is complete compound. We have to break down into elements. Here is hydrogen is element, so just mention hydrogen. Here sulfur is element, sulfur mention. There is oxygen, oxygen mention, and there is zinc element. So also we mention it differently. Okay, each element are differentiated by other. Okay. So now we check at reactant side hydrogen atoms have two atoms. Okay, sulfur has only one atom and oxygen has 4 atoms and zinc has only one unity. Okay, now we check at product side zinc. First zinc has only one, sulfur is only one. Okay, oxygen it's 4 and hydrogen it's 2. What do we see here? Again hydrogen at reactant side and product side same, sulfur at reactant side product side same, oxygen same and zinc same. This means this reaction is also balanced. Okay, so these both reactions are providing you is already balanced. Now I am giving you some more examples. Okay, carbon plus, no, it is all flow. This is all flowing. Okay, carbon plus oxygen gas is produce only carbon monoxide gas. Okay, so please try this question. Okay, now we discuss about the type of chemical reactions. Okay, so chemical equations or reactions have 4 different types, equation or reactions. If you mention here reactions. Okay, first part combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Okay, so what do you mean by combination? First we discuss only a simple terms, what do you mean by these terms, and after that we discuss in complete brief study. Okay, what do you mean by combination? कॉम्बिनेशन से मतलब क्या है कि बहुत सारी चीजें आपकी कंबाइन हो जाए. The word from combine. The combination word is come from word combine. Combine का मतलब कि दो चार अलग अलग चीजें आ जाए और आपस में मिलके एक हो जाए. ओके, दिस मीन कॉम्बी. ठीक है, कॉम्बाइन इन नेशन में प्रोसेस. ऐसी प्रोसेस जिसमें क्या हो कि अलग अलग चीजें आके कंबाइन हो जाए. और ये किस तरीके से कंबाइन हो रही है, किस प्रोसेस के थ्रू हो रही है, रिएक्शन के थ्रू. मीन्स ऐसे रिएक्शन जिसमें क्या हो रहा हो, दो तीन अलग अलग न्यू सब्सटेंस होते हैं, वो क्या बना, एक नया सब्सटेंस बना है जोड़ जोड़ के. ठीक है. Now we talk about decomposition reaction. The decomposition reaction is just vice versa of combination. In combination, we talk about different types of substance and are combined together and form a new substance. But in decomposition, a single product or single reactant is break down into different types of products. Okay. So here is word decomposition. Decompose. ओके, डिकम्पोज का मतलब क्या होता है, टूटना. कि एक कोई चीज होगी उससे टूट के क्या हो, छोटी छोटी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स हमको अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट टर्म डिस्प्लेसमेंट. डिस्प्लेसमेंट इजीली बात करते हैं. मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, मैं यहाँ से हटूंगा और कोई दूसरा मेरी जगह पे आ जाएगा. दिस मीन्स इट विल बी डिस्प्लेस. आई एम डिस्प्लेस बाय अनदर पर्सन. ओके, ये पेन है यहाँ पे और इनकी पोजिशन यहाँ पे, मैंने इसकी जगह पे रखा और इसको यहाँ से हटा लिया. मीन्स द ब्लू पेन डिस्प्लेस अवर ब्लैक पेन. ओके, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज सिंपल टर्म कि एक किसी भी आयन को उसकी जगह से क्या करेंगे, हम रिप्लेस करेंगे और दूसरे आयन को क्या कर लेंगे, फ्री कर लेंगे. ओके, हियर टर्म इज डिस्प्लेस. ओके, नाउ द टर्म इज कमिंग फॉर रिएक्शन विच डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. ओके, दिस इज सेम एज डिस्प्लेसमेंट, बस यहाँ पे क्या फर्क है कि यहाँ पर डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, एक सिंगल आयन जो होगा, ओके, जो डिस्प्लेस होगा और दूसरा आयन क्या करेगा, फ्री करेगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई सा भी आयन क्या होगा, फ्री नहीं होगा. देयर इज नो फ्री आयंस अवेलेबल हियर. यहाँ क्या करेगा कि दोनों कंपाउंड होंगे, दोनों कंपाउंड के अपने में जो आयंस होंगे, तो बोथ कंपाउंड आयंस आर एक्सचेंज बाय ईच अदर. ओके, तो हियर एक्सचेंजिंग ऑफ आयंस. ओके, हियर free ion. Okay, so in displacement there is free ion available, but in displacement, double displacement reaction, there is exchanging of ion available. Okay, now we discuss it as a general term. Okay, if we talk, there is a substance A, okay, is react with substance B and produce AB. Okay, these are general terms. There is a substance A is react with and B and for produce AB. This means this is a combination. Two different types of substance or elements are combined to each other and form a new substance. Okay, these types of reaction represent our combination reaction. We talk about decomposition. This means AB are combined already. Okay, AB are compound already. Now it will decompose, means break down into A and B. So it is inverse of that combination. Okay. Now what do you mean by displacement? In displacement there is AB compound. There is AB compound and also a C element are available or substance are available here. Now what I said here, the one ion is displaced another and the other ion will free. Okay. So now here C are displacing B. C displaces B and B will free. Okay, we see B here, B is free. So now I talk about here double displacement reaction. There is compound AB, compound CD, and will react with each other and form what I say exchanging of ion. Means this ions, the compound ions are exchanging with each other. So here we get AC plus BD. Means B and D are combined with each other and this combined to this. Okay, so C displaces B and combine with AC and form AC. The other discharge ion B is combined with substance BD and form term BD. Okay, so here we just general discussion about the types of chemical reaction. The first combination reaction, which means combine. The decomposition reaction, which means just decompose the reaction of a product. Now the third displacement, this displace and we get our free ions. In double displacement we exchange our ions. Okay, now we briefly discuss about each type of reactions. Now we discuss about the combination reaction. We will discuss this later date. The reaction in which two or more substances are react with each other and form single substance is known as combination reaction. Okay, A is react with B. These two different types of reactants are react with AB and produce AB. Okay. So we discuss simple activity which is present in NCERT books, that a quick line, which means calcium oxide. Okay, a quick line calcium oxide is added with water. Okay, some granules, छोटे छोटे piece, okay, is added with water H2O. Okay, here we see that two types of element compounds are mixed with each other, and what we see as a result, we see that this is our beaker, okay, in which we added quicklime means calcium oxide in water. This is water, blue part is water, and the red part calcium oxide is react with each other and produce a vigorously heat. ओके एकदम से तेजी से क्या होगी, हीट जनरेट होगी, टेम्परेचर बीकर क्या हो जाएगा, राइज हो जाएगा, और अंदर से क्या निकलेंगे, कुछ बबल के फॉर्मेशंस होंगे. वी नो दैट इन बी बॉइलिंग वाटर आफ्टर सम टाइम देयर इज अ बबल evolve from their downward bottom side. Okay, this is a bubble formation because the water react with calcium oxide. So as a result, as a product, it will form calcium hydroxide. Okay, this is also known as slacked line. Okay, so here we see that there is a compound A means calcium oxide, compound B react with compound B means water, and form AB means calcium hydroxide or slacked line. So in as a proper chemical equation we write this: calcium oxide react with water and it will produce calcium hydroxide. Okay, so this is an example of combination reaction where two different types of compound react with each other and form a single new substance. Okay, now we discuss other example, what the different types of example we here present in the NCERT books. So we discuss this further. We discuss some more example of combination reaction. First, burning of coal. Okay, we know that coal is made of a compound of carbons. Okay, so carbon in solid state, okay, is react burning is possible when there is a presence of oxygen. Okay, when there is presence of oxygen, then the burning process happens. So there is presence of oxygen, it will produce CO2. We know carbon dioxide. That burning of coal in presence of oxygen, we get carbon dioxide. Okay, this is also gas. So this is a simple example of combination reaction, that two different types of reactants and produce a single product. Okay, formation of water, we discussed earlier the formation of water. So H2 gas plus O2 gas and is formed H2O. Also check the equations are balanced. Here is 2, 2, 2 and it is not balanced, but here we put 2 and 2. Okay, now the complete equation is get balanced. Okay, this is the burning of coal and formation of water. In board exam, these small types of examples are asking repeatedly in 1 mark questions. Okay, or in complete 2-3 marks question, that what do you mean by combination reaction, and give some important reactions about them. Okay, so please mention in your copies properly. These all the examples are very important a point of view of your board exams. More example of combination, right? What do you mean by term exothermic reaction? Okay, first we discuss the term exothermic reaction, and after that we discuss which type of reaction is known as exothermic. Okay, so exothermic means when there is reaction as in a product side, there is a formation of energy in form of heat, okay, or in types of vibrations, gas, anything. Okay, so there is a particular type of energy is evolving at product side. Okay, this type of reaction is known as exothermic. Okay, in if we talk in Hindi, that ऐसी कोई भी रिएक्शन जो क्या वो रिएक्शन के प्रोसेस में आप हीट अप नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसको कोई आप गर्म किसी स्टेट पे बर्नर पे नहीं रख रहे हैं। ओके, हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि उन दो रिएक्टेंट क्या कर रहे हैं, आपस में मिक्सअप कर रहे हैं, और आफ्टर द रिएक्शन ओके एट अ प्रोडक्ट साइड देयर इज ऑटोमेटिकली देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एनर्जी हीट। ओके, दैट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज नोन एज एक्सोथर्मिक। हम क्या करें, इनिशियल हीटअप नहीं करेंगे इसमें, मैं क्या होगा फाइनली ऑटोमेटिक क्या होगा, उस पर्टिकुलर वेसल या बीकर में हीट मिल जाएगी। सो वी डिस्कस सम एग्जांपल इन इट। बर्निंग ऑफ natural gas. Okay, burning of natural gas. First we know that what do you mean by natural gas. Natural gas means that gases which are present in our earth crust. Okay, so this is CH4 gas, methane. This is known as methane. It reacts with oxygen and it is produced CO2, carbon dioxide, and energy. If you want that, so here also the water is getting okay. So what we say that the CH4 methane is react with oxygen. Okay, here we consider only a major product. Okay, not minor products like H2O. What our definition is said that the combination reaction in which the two reactants are react with each other and form a single product. Okay, so we talk about only a major product, not about the minors. Okay. So here the CH4 reactant means methane is react with oxygen and we get CO2 and energy, the release of energy. Okay, and हम देखते हैं कि किसी भी टाइप की गैस घर में एलपीजी होता है। ओके, उसको जलाते हैं, उसको जलाते ही गैस होती है, गैस को हल्का सा लाइट अप करने पे क्या होता है, हीट प्रोड्यूस करता है। ओके, फ्लेम बनाता है, तो एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन हुआ ना हुआ। ओके, एंड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ H2O. ओके, नाउ वी मूविंग फॉरवर्ड। वे हम डेली लाइफ में अगर बात करें तो एक एलपीजी का एग्जांपल मैंने दे दिया। हमारी बॉडी की बात करें तो ओके, तो हम जो रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं, ओके, हम जो रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं वो भी एक तरीके से प्रोसेस है, एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस है। कैसे हुआ, हमारी बॉडी में क्या है, क्या प्रेजेंट है, हम सब बोलते हैं हमारी बॉडी में बहुत ज़्यादा हमारा शुगर प्रेजेंट है। ओके, मीन्स ग्लूकोज प्रेजेंट है। ओके, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज। ओके, इट इज रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन। ओके, ग्लूकोज इज रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन। ओके, सो what we get, CO2 plus H2 plus energy. ओके ओके, सो अब हम क्या करेंगे कि बात करते हैं रेस्पिरेशन की बात कर रहे थे, तो इसमें क्या है C6H12O6 है जो ऑक्सीजन के साथ क्या करता है, रिएक्ट करता है, मींस ग्लूकोज इज रिएक्टिंग विद ऑक्सीजन। ओके, सो एज अ प्रोडक्ट वी व्हाट वी गेट, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड एनर्जी। हम कुछ भी फूड क्या करते हैं, खाते हैं, तो उससे उसमें क्या होता है, ग्लूकोज प्रेजेंट होता है, उसमें क्या होता है, ब्रेक डाउन ग्लूकोज में कर लेता है अपनी बॉडी पूरी, उसके साथ क्या रिएक्ट करता है, ऑक्सीजन करता है, जो हम क्या है रेस्पिरेशन के थ्रू इनटेक करते हैं। इन दोनों के रिएक्शन से क्या हम रिलीज करते हैं, CO2 रिलीज करते हैं। ठीक है, और साथ में अंदर क्या प्रेजेंट हो जाता है, अपना वाटर एज अ प्रोडक्ट बनता है, और एनर्जी जो हम वर्क करते हैं उसके लिए क्या होता है, एनर्जी बनती है। ये भी एक तरीके का एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस है हमारा। सो ये सारे के सारे किसके टाइप है, हमारे एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन है। ये सारे रिएक्शन एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो प्लीज राइट इन योर कॉपीज एज अ प्रॉपर नोट्स। ओके, so we will meet in our next lecture to discuss our other types of reactions. Thank you and have a nice day.